Hi guys, this is Arshil Gosavi and today's our topic is an array list. So basically, whenever we discuss about our hot important topic from Java, that is collection, then at that time the list having their importance in collection, and in collection there is an hash maps and hash sets also. But the list are why the list are efficient, and at which time the list will use, and at which time the sets will be used, that can be decide how it can be and how if it is. So first of all, we discuss the basic difference about hash sets, and our we can discuss basic difference about our list and sets. So basically, whenever we insert element in list, in linked list we consist of linked list and array list also. But in set also we consider all of the member of sets. So first of all, we discuss the points of our lists. So in list, there is an maintain whenever we insert an element, the insertion order can be maintained in a list, and in that next one is we can uh, we can simply add element fastly as we have. And in hash set or in a set, there is no insertion order maintained by set. So basically, this is our basic difference of our set and list. First of all, now we move ahead to our point today's topic, list. In that we'll discuss about array list, but uh, going for that, before that we discuss the linked list and array list difference. So what is the difference of linked list and array list? Array list having containing index, whereas linked list does not contain any index. Second one is an array list perform deletion process is a very delayed process. In linked list we can done the deletion is fast. uh, Now whenever we discuss about add element, then add element can simple most faster than the linked list. Instead of linked list, it is fast in array list. So next one is and whenever we searching an element, then at that time searching of element, array list is better because of index. Whenever we search in index, we directly get that index and get the point. In linked list we are going step by step by each route, and next and next, and then we get the element. So this is the difference of array list and linked list. Now we discuss how the array list, or what is the array list and importance of array list in collection. Array list is nothing but it is a dynamic memory. It is a dynamic array. It just an dynamically defined array which is called as link array list. Array list does not have any size limit. Whenever in array we have the size limit, that drawback overcome in array list, and it comes in form of array list. So this is what the array list is. Array list is dynamic. First of all, array list has no what we can say, no size limit is there, and it dynamically growth occurred of array list. And in array list there is a duplicate element also stored easily. This is a non-synchronized list. Array list is a non-synchronized, much faster for searching operation. and much faster for delete operation than linked list. Thank you.